What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today we have the Hydrangeas Air Jordan 10s. Alright, y'all, before we get started, have to shout out some shoes. We have the Bronx Girl Skate SBs. Make sure y'all go watch that video. It's out right now. I also have the Air Jordan 4 Valentine's Day shoe as well. Make sure y'all go watch that. We have the Dion Diamond Turf 2s out. If y'all haven't watched that, make sure y'all go watch that as well. Then the reverse infrared Air Jordan 6s. Alright, still on the road to 10K subscribers, so make sure y'all keep subscribing. I appreciate y'all for the constant support. Alright, y'all, this is the box that it comes in. That's how it comes wrapped. Very different from the mock-up pictures. So this is mock-ups versus reality. This is how the shoe looks. Before I get started, let me show y'all the size tag real quick. It's Chalk Hydrangeas Wild Grape. So as you can see, we have that chalk off-white color leather. And then this is some wrinkled leather, so I definitely think it's gonna wrinkle and crease easily. Then we have a different material here near the laces. We have like a softer material, and it's hydrangea purple. Then we have these rope laces, and it also comes with this elastic band in between every loop of the laces. Comes with this. This is the tongue. It says Air Jordan 23. And then on the back, we have a softer fabric as well as a lighter purple color. And then on the back of the tongue, it has the size tag. This is the heel, embroidered purple Jumpman, as well as the pull tab here. Then on the bottom, we finally see that wild grape color on the Jumpman and on the outsole right here, as well as the hydrangea purple and the chalk off-white color. So yeah, this is the actual shoe. Make sure y'all shoe looks like this. Again, the mock-ups were different. I actually prefer the mock-ups over these. I just think this is a pretty good Easter shoe, but just not hitting. It's not hitting for Valentine's Day. These are coming out February 12th, so 2 days before Valentine's Day, and I just don't think it's a good release date, honestly. I don't think they're gonna sell too well. I definitely think they're gonna sell better than some shoes, but not the infrared 6s or the Valentine's Day 4s. It just makes more sense to buy those because of the colors. But yeah, this is the look of the Hydrangea 10s. Now, I want to show y'all all the shoes that I have on hand that is coming out in February. Like I said, this is a stacked month, so I don't think these shoes are going to do super well, but gonna do as well as it can. So out of these three shoes, I'm gonna say that the infrared 6s are gonna sell better than these two, and then these are gonna come in second place, and these are gonna come third. I don't think these are gonna do well with selling. I think these are gonna probably do the best because of the colors and just all of the meanings and dates around it. So yeah, this is my lineup. Let me know in the comments what's y'all lineup. Y'all can also add the shoes that I don't have on hand, the Valentine's Day 4s, and all the other shoes that's dropping, as well as the Wolf Grays as well. Okay, so these are coming out February 12th. It is a women's shoe, so they will be coming in extended women's sizes. This is a 13, so you will be able to get bigger sizes if men or people that wear over 13 want to purchase the shoe. These are not coming in any other size run, so no grade school, no preschool, no toddler, just women's. They are $205, so it's going to be $205 plus tax, which isn't bad. I would pay $205 for a Air Jordan 10, but just not these colors. I don't think this shoe was executed that well in terms of color placement. Like I said, I do like the mock-ups better, but nonetheless, this is a Hydrangeas Air Jordan 10. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. Still on the road to 10K subscribers. And let me know what y'all think about these February releases in the comments. Peace.
When you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting